Welcome to the Webull Paper Trading Simulator tutorial, a comprehensive guide to help you get started with virtual trading. Webull is a popular online brokerage firm that offers a paper trading simulator, allowing you to practice trading with fake money in a real-time market environment. To begin, you need to download and install the Webull app on your device. Once installed, create an account and log in to access the paper trading simulator. The simulator is preloaded with a virtual cash balance of $100,000, which you can use to trade various financial instruments, including stocks, options, and ETFs. The Webull Paper Trading Simulator is designed to mimic real market conditions, allowing you to test your trading strategies and refine your skills without risking actual capital. You can set up a watch list of your favorite stocks, track market news and trends, and analyze charts to make informed trading decisions. To place a trade, navigate to the trade section and select the instrument you want to trade. Enter the quantity and price, and choose the order type, such as market or limit order. You can also set stop loss and take profit levels to manage your risk. One of the key benefits of the Webull Paper Trading Simulator is that it allows you to backtest your trading strategies. You can review your trade history, analyze your performance, and identify areas for improvement. This helps you refine your trading skills and develop a winning strategy. Best practices for using the Webull Paper Trading Simulator include starting with a solid understanding of trading basics, setting realistic goals, and managing your risk. It is also essential to stay disciplined and patient, as paper trading can be just as emotionally challenging as real trading. In conclusion, the Webull Paper Trading Simulator is a powerful tool for traders of all levels. By following this tutorial and practicing with the simulator, you can develop your trading skills, test new strategies, and build confidence in your ability to navigate the markets. Remember to stay focused and use the simulator to refine your skills and achieve your trading goals.